Hey guys, today, let's learn how to use Airtag sharing on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new Airtag sharing, in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So, please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and, on your iPhone, I want you to go ahead and proceed to your item. So where this is gonna be located, you can actually locate where this is. On the Find My application, your items will be located over here on your devices. If you do have an AirTag located right here, of course, the AirTag item is gonna show right here. You could also go ahead and add it right now. If you haven't already, just tapping on the plus icon and tap on it AirTag. And from there, you can actually choose on the AirTag or tap on it to share it on other devices. It can actually proceed with sharing the location of the AirTag up to 5 contacts. Through the use of the specific feature, once you tab on the AirTag, once it is already on your devices, it's gonna show there, of course, the option to add these trusted contacts to share this location too. And that's how you could use the AirTag sharing on iOS 17. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.